The second generation software box development kit, or SRDK 2.0, includes a universal mounting plate that is designed to mount to robots with any of the following ISO standard bolt patterns: 20, 31.5, 40, 50,
or 56 millimeters.
Included with the SRDK 2.0 is the necessary hardware to attach the universal mounting plate to any of these bolt patterns. Attach the universal mounting plate to the robot flange using the provided hardware that matches the robot flange's ISO bolt pattern. To do this, you will either need the 2.5mm, the 3mm, or the 4mm hex screwdriver provided in your kit. Take note of the orientation of the indent on the universal mounting plate for proper end-of-arm tool alignment. Attach the end-of-arm tool to the tooling flange by installing the 4 M4x12mm cap head screws through the side mounting tabs and into the universal mounting plate using the provided 2.5mm hex screwdriver. The second generation Soft Robotics Control Unit, or SRCUG2, has 4 7mm mounting points that can be used to mount to the automated system. Reference the instructions for use document on the included flash drive for more detailed information on the mounting points. The SRCUG2 should be mounted within 2 meters of the robot to minimize the length of pneumatic tubing between the SRCUG2 and the end-of-arm tool. The SRCUG2 can be mounted either inside of an auxiliary electronics cabinet or directly to the frame of an automation cell. The SRCUG2 should not be mounted on moving parts. The SRCUG2 can be mounted vertically or horizontally relative to the ground, but the preferred orientation is vertical with all connectors facing downward. When horizontally mounted, the SRCUG2 should be mounted with all connectors pointed towards the robot, but free from collision with the robot or other moving parts.